Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk. It's time to take a look at a handy timer from TickTime. First of all, we need to remove the packaging, so just using my handy knife to cut across the seal and you get that satisfying peeling sound, so just remove that. I will have this linked to Amazon UK. So here in the UK, roughly around £30 at time of filming, but changes, but there will be a link in the video description. So lifting the lid. On top we have our cable and some paperwork, so let's just show that. So the box on top will have your extras in there. So with extras you've got a cable, so this is a micro USB to a standard USB-A, and this is for charging your device. It has quite a large battery and will last a long time as well, which is really handy, but it is micro USB. I thought we'd actually got rid of all of those. Then we have a very small how-to guide book here that just shows you what the key features are, but don't worry, I'm going to go through these as well because there's different functions to different buttons in English and in Mandarin as well there. If you have any questions, all you need to do is leave a comment below. So next up is our actual timer here, so it's sat in the bottom, just a bit of foam protection around it. So it comes in two different colours. You've got silver or grey, so you can choose two different options. It just has some packaging around it, so we just need to remove that packaging. And the first thing you're going to notice is the timers around it. So you've got all different timers. You've got 3, 5, 10, 15, 25 and 30. And you just simply lay it down to actually start the timer. So very simple, very easy to use. It has quite a loud sound to the timers as well, but I'll show you the different features. So I like the hexagonal design of it. The basic features of the TickTime Timer is that you can press any button to turn the timer on. Flipping the timer down digitally starts that setting, so you can have it on 3, 15, 5, whatever option you want. So that's the other option. Laying it down, you can then control the volume itself, so you can volume up or volume down for its alarm when it's finished. When standing upright, you can change the time, so it has to be facing upwards. You can change the minutes or the seconds. You can stop alarm as well by tilting it straight up, so it has a gravity sensor inside there. And to turn off, you press and hold both buttons as well. So there's different options you can change and adjust to use this timer in any way you want. So now I've shared the basic functions, let's share a little bit more detail. So first of all, starting with your battery, it's got a 500 mAh battery and will last a long time. So 2 hours to recharge. That is because you're using a micro USB, but it will last a long time. It has different adjustable audio settings as well, so you can set different levels there, as I showed when I went through the actual basic features that you could use. That's nice and handy, really loud, so everyone should hear that. It's nice to have the different options of timers automatically, so you've got 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30. And you could set tasks, so you could be a bit more productive in your day. You could do a 10-minute HIIT workout. You could do 25 minutes of cooking. You could do a 30-minute timer for anything that's in the oven. Or you can do 3 minutes of meditation in the afternoon or evenings. So you could set a timer to anything you wanted, so that's really nice. It's also such a small and compact device that it can be used anywhere. It can be used on the go, so you can have it a silent alarm if you wanted to, and it would flash the blue light when it's finished, or it would flash on screen. But this could be used in the office, it could be used at home, it could be used in schools, early years for children as well, as a timer for activities. If you want to stop someone from gaming so much, you could use that option there. So it's so many different ways it could be practical in your life. So let me know by leaving a comment below how you would use this in your life. For me, it's going to be setting a timer to make sure I'm more productive with my work and making sure I reply to all of your comments. As I mentioned, there will be a link to Amazon UK where you can go and purchase this for yourself, and by buying through that link you will help support the channel. Please make sure to give this video a like. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all of my latest videos. From me, Ricky, thank you for watching and have a great day. If you want to see some of my latest videos, check these out here, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos.